In general, a mindset is a set of ideas or attitudes that we have about something, especially when those ideas are seen as being difficult to alter. It's a personal ideology, a set of assumptions that we use to filter the world around us. When it comes to learning, there's two broad categories of mindset. The first is what's called a fixed mindset, which is the idea that intelligence is something we have a certain amount of that can't change. The second category is what's called a growth mindset, or the recognition that intelligence can grow and develop in response to effort and good strategies. The reason mindset matters is that what we believe directly influences our behavior, and by influencing our behavior, influences our learning outcomes. A fixed mindset assumes that there will be a limit on abilities, a ceiling on what you can learn. And so when you approach learning with a fixed mindset, you interpret negative feedback as proof that you found and hit your ceiling. And subconsciously, you give yourself permission to stop trying. Mindset is not magical thinking. It is not believe and therefore succeed. What it is working from the assumption that you'll be able to be successful. So that if something isn't working, and if you're not finding success, instead of saying, is this my ceiling? You focus on more useful questions like, why isn't this working? And what could I be doing differently? Because there's always something you could be doing differently. Maybe the problem is that you don't have enough prior knowledge and you need to go back a few steps. Maybe it's that the study strategy you're using isn't the most effective strategy for the material, or that you're not putting in enough hours and practice to achieve mastery. Whatever the challenge might be, a growth mindset looks to identify and then meet the challenge, asking for help and taking advantage of resources along the way.